Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to this session on a foundational pillar of Islam, Zakat, the third pillar of Islam. Today, we will embark on a journey to deeply understand the essence, obligations, and wisdom of Zakat. By the end, you'll have a clear, structured understanding of this divine command and its relevance in shaping a just society. Let's begin. What is Zakat? Zakat is not just a charitable act, but a divinely mandated obligation. Its root, jka, signifies purification, growth, and blessing. This purification applies both to one's wealth and heart, nurturing generosity and removing greed. As mentioned in the Quran, take, O Muhammad, from their wealth a charity by which you purify them and cause them increase and invoke Allah's blessings upon them. Indeed, your invocations are reassurance for them, and Allah is hearing and knowing. Surah At-Tawbah 9:103. Zakat is a powerful tool for societal reform, wealth distribution, and moral refinement. Why is it the third pillar of Islam? Zakat holds a pivotal position due to its spiritual, social, and economic impacts. Spiritual impact. It reminds Muslims that all wealth is entrusted to them by Allah, nurturing gratitude and reliance on Him. Social impact. It creates a safety net for the underprivileged, reducing economic disparity and fostering community welfare. Economic impact. Zakat ensures continuous circulation of wealth, discouraging hoarding, and stimulating growth. The Quran consistently pairs Zakat with Salah to emphasize its importance. And establish prayer and give zakat and bow with those who bow, in worship and obedience. Surah Al-Baqarah 243. Who pays zakat and why? Zakat is obligatory for 1. Muslims who have ownership of wealth beyond the nisab, minimum threshold. 2. Those whose wealth has remained above the nisab for 1 lunar year, hall. 3. Adult and mentally sound individuals. Why is zakat obligatory? To cleanse wealth, recognizing Allah's ownership. To support the less fortunate and uphold justice in society. What wealth is subject to zakat? Zakat applies to cash savings, gold and silver, jewelry or bullion not in regular personal use, business inventory and investments, agricultural produce, livestock, nisab thresholds. As of current practice, gold, 87.48 grams, silver, 612.36 grams. Items for personal use, example, home, car, clothing, are excluded. How much is zakat? Zakat is calculated at 2.5% of eligible wealth. For agricultural and livestock, rates may vary depending on irrigation methods. For example, if your total zakatable wealth is 2 lakhs rupees, the zakat due is 2 lakhs rupees times 2.5% is equal to 5,000 rupees. Categories of people eligible to receive zakat. The Quran specifies 8 categories of recipients in Surah At-Tawbah 9:60. 1. The poor, fukara those without income. 2. The needy, muskin those with insufficient means. 3. Zakat administrators, amilin individuals managing zakat collection and distribution. 4. Those to reconcile hearts, new Muslims or those inclined toward Islam. 5. To free captives or slaves. 6. Those burdened by debt. 7. In the cause of Allah, fi sabilillah for genuine Islamic causes like education or defense. 8. The wayfarers, travelers in need or stranded away from home. Exceptions. Zakat cannot be given to immediate family dependents, example, parents, children, or spouses. Wealthy individuals above the nisab threshold are also ineligible. When to pay zakat? Zakat becomes due after a lunar year of wealth exceeding the nisab. Many Muslims choose to pay zakat during Ramadan, seeking its multiplied rewards. The wisdom and benefits of zakat. Zakat is a source of immense blessings, both spiritual and worldly. 1. Spiritual growth. Purifies wealth and detaches the heart from materialism. 2. Economic equality. Bridges the gap between the rich and the poor, ensuring a just society. 3. Social harmony. Reduces resentment and fosters mutual care and empathy. 4. Accountability. Instills financial discipline and awareness. Instances from the life of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. The life of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, is filled with examples of the practical implementation of Zakat. When sending Mu'adh ibn Jabal to Yemen, the Prophet instructed, "Teach them that Allah has obligated Zakat to be taken from the rich among them and given to the poor." Sahih al-Bukhari. During his time, Zakat funds eradicated poverty in Medina, ensuring no eligible recipient was left. These examples highlight the transformative power of Zakat in building equitable and compassionate societies. Practical tips for calculating and paying Zakat. Track your assets regularly. Use Zakat calculators to simplify calculations. Prioritize local distribution. Support local communities or trusted Islamic organizations. Be diligent and timely. Pay as soon as Zakat becomes due to avoid procrastination. A reminder for us all. Zakat is not just an economic obligation. It is a profound spiritual practice that connects us to Allah, our wealth, and our community. By embracing Zakat wholeheartedly, we take a step closer to fulfilling our purpose as Allah's stewards on earth. Thank you for joining me in exploring this beautiful pillar of Islam. May Allah guide us to fulfill this obligation sincerely and reward us abundantly in both worlds. If you found this beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread the knowledge.
Jazakallah khairan.